Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. Happy Friday to you all. It is May 21st, 2021. We have one birthday today. Lavera Potter is celebrating her birthday today. Lavera is the mother of Robin Conway, grandma to JoJo and Francie, among others. And we'd like to wish Lavera a really, really happy day today. Her and her husband Roger are over in the East Bay, and they are getting up there in the years and still kicking around and looking great, and we want to wish them the best. And Lavera, hope you have a great day. I'm sure you're celebrating in the best way possible. So we will see you soon, I hope, and we love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and happy birthday. So for your Happy Friday, I got a couple of Rolling Stones songs today. I haven't done too many Rolling Stones tunes, so I started looking at them and picked out a couple. This first one was a big hit for the Stones in '66, I think. It was on the Aftermath album. I remember them singing this one on Ed Sullivan. This is called Ruby Tuesday. She would never say where she came from. Yesterday don't matter if it's gone. While the sun is bright, or in the darkest night, no one knows. She comes and goes. Goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every new day? Still, I'm gonna miss you. Don't question why she needs to be so free. She'll tell you it's the only way to be. Well, she just can't be chained to a life where nothing's gained and nothing's lost at such a cost. Oh, goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every new day? Still, I'm gonna miss you. And there's no time to lose, I heard her say. We'll catch your dreams before they slip away. Dying all the time, lose your dreams and you will lose your mind. Ain't life unkind? Well, goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every new day? Still, I'm gonna miss you. That's Ruby Tuesday. And this next one was a giant hit for the Stones. And they reworked this giant hit on the Let It Bleed album. The hit was Honky Tonk Women. And they also did a country version of it where they moved the lyrics around a little bit. They had a fiddle on there, some street noises, and they called it Country Honk. So I'm going to country it up a little bit and do the country honk instead of the honky tonk women. And here we go. a bar, I'm tipping a jar in Jackson. And on that street, the summer sun, it shines. There's many a ballroom queen I've had in Jackson. I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. It's a honky-tonk women. Well, give me the honky-tonk blues. It's the honky-tonk women. They give me the honky-tonk blues. I later did say in New York City. I had to put up with some kind of a fight. The lady laid me down all in roses. Well, she blew my nose and then she blew my mind. Ooh, it's a honky-tonk women. Well, give me the honky-tonk blues. It's the honky-tonk women. They give me the honky-tonk blues. Yeah, give me the honky-tonk blues. Oh Lord, Lord, give me the honky-tonk blues. That's the Rolling Stones for your Friday, and those are your songs of the day, and that's it for the day. So stay safe out there, you guys, as you kick off the weekend. Don't do anything risky, whatever that might be. Anyway, stay safe and keep well. Be kind to each other. Wear your mask. Keep on the sunny side, and happy birthday, Lavira. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you guys down the road. Bye-bye. We love you.